How to use Hyper AI new unlimited text to video generator. If you want to go ahead and use Hyper AI for yourself, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be coming over to hyper.ai. Now, once you're over here, obviously we're going to need to sign up with their account. Now, you can either sign up with your Discord or sign up with your Google. So, I'm going to prefer to choose Google for myself because Discord might do some issues. So, I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my Google real quick. Now, once you go in with the signing up, you can simply go ahead and add prompts in the bottom text handler, okay? But before that, obviously, you're going to want to make sure to do proper onboarding with the sign up process. So it says, welcome to Hyper. How did you find out about us? You can just go with anything. What age group are you? Obviously, you're going to answer your age group. What types of videos do you enjoy? So just go with everything that you like. And once you have gone with the necessary bits, which best describes you, I'm just gonna go with the, something like programmer. What do you use it for? I'm gonna go with for fun. Share your videos. I'm gonna keep it private. Click on confirm. Experience with video tools. I'm gonna go with yes. Experience with generative AI tools. Again, I'm gonna go with yes. And I'm gonna tell them that I've used Midjourney. I've used Chat GPT and any other generation software that you've used. And once you've done that, you're going to click on confirm and get started. Now, once we're over here, what you're going to do is you're going to describe the video you want to generate. So let's say I want to make an old film, and this is the type of prompt you're going to want to enter. Or we want a Ghibli style old film that has, let's say cyberpunk vibes with watercolor, something like that. So these are the prompts you're going to want to enter. And once you do this, you can also mess around with the settings of the video. So duration, let's keep it 2 seconds. And the aspect ratio, I want it to be 9:16. And now I'm going to click on create. Now, once you click on create, it actually starts going into creation. You're going to want to wait for a few seconds because obviously we have entered a lot of prompts and it goes into queuing for generation. And once it's fully generated, it will present you your video. And that is how you're going to use Hyper AI for yourself. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.